Hi there, students. A dapnosophist, and I guess dapnosophistry as well. Let's see, a dapnosophist is somebody who is really good at conversation over the dinner table. So if you've got a couple of dapnosophists at your dinner party, it's going to be a great success. Yeah, these are people who are masters of conversation over the dinner table or after a dinner. Yeah, so a dapnosophist, a person who is a wizard, a genius at table talk. Yeah, a dapnosophist. Now notice we've got this word sophistry in English, and sophistry nowadays has the idea of somebody who uses the language to give arguments, to put forward arguments and reasoning that is not true. Yeah, it's devised to deliberately mislead somebody, to lead someone in the wrong way. Sophistry, being a sophist like that, is negative. But this word, a dapnosophist, this is very positive. Yeah, this is a person who is great at dinner conversation and after dinner conversation. So yeah, if you can find a dapnosophist to invite, or even a couple, to a dinner party, you're going to have a real success. Yeah, so dapnosophistry, dapnosophism. Let's see. As to origin, okay, this comes from ancient Greek. Let's see. There is actually a book written in the 3rd century AD, Dapnosophistae, which is a book talking about a series of banquets, and it's about the skilled conversation that they have, the refined conversations, and I think that at that time in the Greek world, it was very common to have a dinner party and to discuss philosophy and things like that over or during this dinner, before, during, and after, and that I think was a common thing. So being a dapnosophist meant that you got to be invited to all of these events. Nowadays, a dapnosophist is just somebody who's very good at talking at the dinner table. Yeah, he or she keeps the guests entertained and interested, and talks about things that are interesting for everybody present. Okay, so dapnosophism, a dapnosophist, somebody knowledgeable in the arts of dining. It's literally saying somebody who's an expert in dining. And the eating bit, I'm definitely an expert in. The talking bit, maybe that's a little bit more complicated. Yeah, so I think this directly comes from this book, and dapnosophist is somebody who talks in the same way as the characters from the book. Okay, so formality. Yeah, this is one of these words that native speakers are not going to know. So this is one of these words for your collection of unusual words. It's a rare word. It's not the sort of word that people bandy about. So if you use it, be prepared to explain its meaning as well. And then as to the Well, yeah, formality. What am I going to give it? 7.5 in formality. Literary or very formal. As to origin, okay, it's made up of two words. Deipno, or meaning dinner. Yeah, food, eating. And then sophistes, somebody who is knowledgeable in the art of something. Sophisticated. You know, that comes from the same idea. So yeah, a sophisticated diner. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Deipno Sophist.